Are you looking for the women's skin care kit, with body lotion, skin care set? In this video we will look at some of the women's skin care kit, with body lotion, skin care set, on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Natural Papaya Enzyme Skin Care Removal. Naturally whitens and brightens dull skin. Cleanses pores and eliminates acne. Radiant skin moisturizes and nourishes anti-aging and antioxidant. Pure Natural Papaya Gluta Pro Advanced Whitening Lotion 500 ml. Our body lotion, which is composed of concentrated papaya enzyme with gluta, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid and vitamin C that whitens and moisturizes, for that noticeably whiter and healthier skin. Body lotion has SPF 40 that protects your delicate skin from harmful UV rays. Number 2. 500 ml Whitening Body Lotion Alpha Hydroxy Body Cream. Anti-aging skin care. Our body lotion is formulated with the optimal balance of 12% glycolic alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, and a pH level of 4.0, AHA reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Radiant Skin. Our anti-aging cream's exfoliating formula gently lifts away dead skin cells, so new, healthy skin can emerge. Your skin will immediately feel smooth and fresh over time. You will see a more radiant, even skin tone. Number 3. AILKE Glutathione 5-in-1 Women's Skin Care Kit, with body lotion. Skin whitening glutathione 5-in-1 set. Naturally brighten, improve dull skin, boost skin growth, even skin tone. Double glutathione bleaching lotion 500 ml/17.6 floss. Gentle bleaching, no irritation, without harm your skin. Suitable for knuckles, buttocks, legs, elbows and any other areas that you want to whiten. Moisturizing whitening smooth brighten. Double glutathione serum 100 ml/3.5 floss. Number 4. GLUTAMASTER GLUTATHIONE+CORROT Skincare Set. Brand name GLUTAMASTER. Gender female. Use body origin mainland China. Number of pieces combo item type set country, region of manufacture, China. Quantity 5 pieces. Set choice yes, semi-choice yes. Number 5. Whitening Skin Care Set. Glutathione Concentrated Brightening Whitening Skin Care Set. It contains a high concentration of glutathione, a key ingredient in skin care products for brightening. Whiter than ever, for younger, brighter, smoother, softer and flawless looking skin. It is a fast-acting skin care product that will produce results faster than other products.